In order to get your design onto a onesie, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson hybrid DTG print technology. You'll need a heat press, the sleeve platen, and the Epson F2270 printer. First, place your garment on top of the heat press. Apply a sheet of parchment paper on top and press for about 20 seconds. Next, we'll want to swap the included medium platen with the sleeve platen. Lower the platen height down to 8. You can now thread your garment onto the sleeve platen, and you can use the included platen hoop to secure it in place. In Garment Creator, open the design that you'd like to print. Click on Light Color T-shirt for your garment color, and go to the Layout Settings tab. We'll want to switch from the medium platen to the sleeve platen. You can also click on the Fit to Platen button to adjust your artwork size. Click the Print button. Next, press the blue button to begin the print. When the printing is complete, carefully place your garment back onto the heat press, apply a sheet of parchment paper on top, and press for 75 seconds to complete the print. And that's how easy it is to get your design onto a onesie using the Epson SureColor F2270.